This is 2 BHK flat in Rainbow Vistas Rock Garden in 4th floor. Available for rent immediately. This is the dining hall and this is the living hall and this is the common bathroom and then the wash basin. Okay, this is the kids bedroom and they have given only the store wells, iron store well. And this is 1250 square feet and west facing, and we are from Safe Properties. So this is the view from the balcony. Block to block there is lot of different distance. So we Safe Properties, we handle rentals and sale properties. We take up genuine properties. This is the master bedroom. It is dark because there is issue with the power and we will fix it up, and they have given the store wells to only again here, and this is the bathroom, attached bathroom. We just handle whichever the reasonable rents and everything is there. So that is our motto, to balance both buyer and seller and then the tenant and owner. This is the modular kitchen, and then this is the utility area. Everything will be cleaned up during deep cleaning. And it is 4th floor, ready to move. Please reach us out to Safe Properties 98483 98458 99661 08484. Thank you.